How to create a custom color palette in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. To create a custom color palette, open the Fill panel from the right toolbar. Step 2. In the new color palette name field, type in a name and hit enter or return. Step 3. If you want to select color from the media, click the colored shape and click the plus icon next to the palette you've created. Step 4. You can also select the color swatch from the Fill panel and click the plus icon to add it to the palette. Step 5. Keep adding the colors until you're happy with the palette. Step 6. To check the name of the custom palette you've created, hover your mouse over the palette icon. Step 7. To delete a single color from the palette, right-click the color swatch and select Delete Custom Color. Step 8. To delete the entire custom palette, right-click the palette icon and click Delete with the name of the palette. Step 9. You can also hide or show color palettes from view in the panel. Simply click the Fill Color drop-down. Step 10. Check or uncheck the boxes based on the color palettes you want to be displayed in the Fill panel. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.